In this video, we're creating a clean and modern loading spinner using only HTML and CSS. You've probably seen this kind of animation on countless websites. It's that small spinning circle that appears while content is loading or data is being processed. Even though it looks simple, it plays a really important role in user experience, letting people know that the page is still active and working behind the scenes. A loading spinner is one of the simplest yet most effective UI elements you can add to a web page. It tells the user that something is happening in the background. Maybe data is being loaded, an image is rendering, or a request is being processed. Without it, users might think the page is frozen or broken, which can quickly lead to frustration. This clean circular spinner is made entirely with HTML and CSS. No JavaScript required. The effect is achieved using just borders, a bit of color contrast, and a smooth rotation animation powered by CSS keyframes. What makes this so great is its versatility. You can easily change the size, speed, or color to match your website's design. It's lightweight, responsive, and works perfectly across all devices. So next time you build a web project that needs a brief loading moment, this simple spinner will keep your users engaged and your interface looking professional. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.